Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a lot of users that are wondering why they don't see 24H2 on their PCs. First of all, it's totally normal. It's just starting to roll out, and that always is a slow process because Microsoft doesn't want to brick every PC in the world, so they're going very slowly, choosing specific configurations that they know should be safe with the telemetry they have. But now it might take a little longer. It seems that Microsoft has slowed down the release of 24H2 after a certain number of users, not just the ones with the solid state drives from Western Digital, but a few more popping up with random blue screens of death. So this apparently Microsoft knows about. They are investigating exactly what happens. It has to do with very specific hardware configurations, but they are slowing down to make sure that they don't push a buggy feature update to everyone. So it's going to take a little longer for some of you before anything happens and it shows up. Also, that means that the regular release right now is only offered to very specific hardware. That is what they're saying. So a very small number of users are actually seeing 24H2. Somebody asked me, where does it show if you have it? In the Windows updates. If you go to Windows updates and you see that there's an optional update called feature update for 24H2, that's because you are one of the lucky or unlucky, depending on what you think, that gets the 24H2 update. So not a lot of people will probably be seeing it for at least a few days to a couple of weeks before the rollout comes back to normal. Seems that there's quite a few little things happening within the operating system. They are also aware of another bug where the clipboard stays blank. So when you actually do a copy paste, your picture or text or whatever you copied goes temporarily to the clipboard before you can paste it into some app or somewhere else. Apparently, if you're using the clipboard to see the different copy options that you did before paste, well, it stays blank and doesn't show any of the data. So that's also another bug that they've noticed. So 24H2, not really, kind of a rocky start, basically. A little hard to have 24H2 running perfectly on a lot of machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.